Hey folks, it's Mike Sylvan at Seattle Mini. I'm sitting here in Mackenzie's new Countryman, and road trip season is around the corner and we're getting ready to have a little bit more fun with that. So here we are in core mode and looking at the navigation system and a little yellow arrow that represents this car. But we can do this and see a real car. And that's kind of neat, but it gets even cooler. If I press it again, I get another car with an emblem on the top. So just keep pressing it and see which representation you want, but wait, there's more. If you change experiences, like go to green or go kart or vivid, and then you go back to navigation, you get a different green arrow and you get a different car. And if you press again, you get a different car with a different image on it based on the mode that you're in. A really cool one is when you're down here in vivid, you can get a car with a surfboard on top. So that's kind of neat and we hope you have fun with it. So if you have any questions about that or anything else and you're here in Washington or Idaho or Western Montana, please contact me at 206-588-4216. That's 206-588-4216. If you're in Oregon or another state, please contact your local Mini dealer and your Mini representative and they will be glad to help. Thanks.